Sanibonani Sandumelani, this is your boy Pule Mathiwe phela known as Kevin ntwana sekonti le Kenza ngihamba nama-Kenza amahle lana. Bethu apolisi ngayaphinda lento yakhe last week. Bethu apolisi ngayihamba namaphoyisa mavotsha zontshele ukuthi khambana zintroduce nabatshele ukuthi emkonti kumnandi.
Allo, Steven Mavotsha, Shibo Magazine.
Danko, thank you. Jabuliwe bafethu by the way. Ngaye ngiphethe inja yami uJene.
Once and always.
Ngeke ngithi Tiko. Ngisho ngathi uTiko umudise but Jene general himself. Danko, thank you.
Yes, siyakotse Shibo Magazine. Danko.
Welcome to exciting episode 17, right?
7-1.
On 7, kanjalo. Rumor has it, Dr. Khumalo, Kaizer Chiefs legend. Endlini kunenkinga, unake izinto zangaphandle. What size? Khamba. Abafisa ningitshele, nakho sekukhulunyiwe mina ngazi.
Hawu, ukhulumeni
Basha ama-gesture izinto zakhona. Kunento bashayile nje just yabo. Awe, uthi kwenzakalani bale lapha?
Sosha ama-gesture manje.
I-camera never lies.
Oh,
Danko.
camera never lies.
Danko, tiki.
Doctor. Dr. Khumalo.
Legend.
Angibonile wonke umuntu ube nama-opinion yabo. After the video yakhe yathi now teams are anyway uthi now teams are competing because Sundowns in ama-problems. So siqale la makathi Sundowns inama-problems. Usho ngapha ama-problems because the Sundowns qualify for the next round ku-Nedbank. Compete for i-league. Pirates ishiya nga-6 points. Sithi 6 points manje but
6 points, yeah.
mabangawina ile game in hand, it's 3 points yabo. I-qualify for i-Champions League. So yena nama-problems awabona imaphi ngela sitshele because thina swaza swabona. Then you can't say teams are competing because of Sundowns nama-problems. So i-Sundowns njengoba yona beyiwina ama-league yenzani, iwina ama-cup yenzani kuyiyo yi lawo amanye ama-team nama-problems. So wayangasho ukuthi Sundowns is winning all these cups, Sundowns is winning all these things because of these teams have problems. So why is it now that we can't lose Sundowns because Sundowns has produced players for South Africa? Sundowns produce ama-player for South Africa. Iliphi play Sundowns City produce? Pirates produce uMbukazi. Pirates produce uReal. Chiefs produce uVilla. Chiefs produce uShaba. Lala.
Lento nomabhena.
Udlala va.
No sekuyatsho asi-product e-Sundowns from ku
I-product e-Sundowns mara udlala va. Yangithola. Yawuza ngibiza ama-player adlala va. Esiwabona each and every day kuma-league games, kuma-starting 11, bench. Yangithola. Ama-player produce ama-team. Sundowns produce bani? Sundowns ibha ama-ready-made uthi. Ready-made.
Macephe ivalela abanye abantu ukuthi bangathengi ama-player.
Ngiyangithola.
I think lento leya ka-Dr. Khumalo it's coming from le Sundowns le ukuthi sonke sayazi. Le ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi beyiwina in there was no competition back then. If we were to like say ama-team were competing against the Sundowns or they were trying to cut ama-trades for Sundowns from winning the league and everything. Because now there's a challenge. Teams are like obviously development, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Ama-team walokhu alungisa. So ezinye izinto ziyahlangana isikhathi ukuthi Sundowns vele ibe nenkinga. Sonke sinenkinga. As much as ne-Kaizer Chiefs nenkinga zayo. Ngithola Sundowns are special by the way, but yeah, I think it's coming from there.
Yeah, no, sikayenza ngathi manje Sundowns is special. Joe, ne-Chiefs nama-problems. Why angakhulumi ngaleyo writing le?
Legend. Futhi legend e-Kaizer Chiefs by the way.
Do you get me? So now kube ngazuthi manje hey, ama-paid promo manje. Hayi mfethu. Cabanga ngisuke la ngithi. I-Chiefs ne-Pirates back. Kuseba compete ne-Sundowns because nama-problem. How? i-Sundowns njengoba yona beyiwina
Beyicompete
why
nathi sinama-problems.
hawu mfethu
Exactly.
like why manje sekumele kusingela ukuthi laba abanama-problems i-Sundowns awuthi yami Sundowns baqualifyile ku-CAF Champions League to the next round baqualifyile ku-Nedbank to the next round bawu-number 2 eligini sicela usibonisa team enama-problems team number 16 eligini no-number 15 ama-team anama-problems la position 1 2 3 4 ninamathatha nina you are competing you are there
Tekusho ngathi ubhayisikele naye naye legend guy.
paid pro
Ngathi ubhayisikele mfethu hayi. I mean now that the team le behlele ku number 2 all these seasons bona wabalebele bathathile seku number 1 lo. Suddenly sometimes they have a problem but I keep my problems so like nothing.
But nakhona mfethu let's not bash him opinion yakhe.
Yeah, opinion
It is opinion.
family no abe direct
Yeah.
Abe contact.
the problems like kusho lokona na kwenza tsona la clear street kusho phakathi na kwenza number 2
benama-problems
maka ne
azange ayisingle out
azange single out azange ba entertain daba phakathi na didinking why betswa number 2 suddenly Sundowns kile seleka kwa
So-
and legend yamzansi the most respected mutu like respecting is a legend aro ukubwalele ngabo wasarenika team lokho bambitsa legend ko yona
Antanto wa beefa ne.
I can understand like but to
No, I can't really kutlile ka go tshwantsa be direct. Kutsho wa beefa.
check ibhene emuva nelogo ye-black label ne-chiefs
like why
ukhuluma nge-Sundowns
Another thing,
abuka team enayidlala
njengoba ngisho ukuthi endlini sigenelwa amanzi wena unake next door ukuthi kwenzakala. You can't be doing that.
khambi like taba tsa kontlung ngwe se tlo rema ka tsona tsa o litsika like wena o legend ya team so ma go bua tsa ka next door
Dr. Mfethu. Re tlisetsa unwanted drama mfethu ke lekhosi. So tso di buang mfethu ska ba bias.
legend you respect you
Iqonde straight kanje. Yabo, ungayizi
legend wama-team wini
Yeah, legend ama team wini.
mina ngibhakaliya wow
Fede bafethu yabo.
Ngibhakaliya, bi.
Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba sikhuluma ngo-Dr. Khumalo. Nakusothini? Abantu bathi basipanile. Fede basipanile makaye. Kunokuspana lokho kubona ukuthi la amajita asipanile but game la izola ikhona. Hayi.
What happened?
Yo,
gcine kuyi-1-0
nanso ke tlo itsho ngifela sense of agency Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have that. Because for starters mfethu, we know how important game in redlala mabane. Okay, actually we knew how important akaka. But for the main factor bo coach abayibona ntso ibona ke rona batho ba dutseng ko TV. Ene mane ke feel nkare akabantu ba khona ukenya mntwana lo sharp out ehlo ibule wa understand. I am faith. Ebo coach Joe. So what happened yesterday in final? Let me tell you. First lineup. They say lineup ilori ne ke bona ka go tlogwena game. Yeah. And game ane icala.
bobona ngathi izowina
Akusi lineup bezoswina
izowina igame
ngeke ekokucala mina mfethu I believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs mengana creativity emidleleni. There's no way forward. Uyangithola. Izoli game besidlala. Angibonanga nama true ball nyana ngathi asile mandlulela emabhola wethu wesayidini ayibuyele emuva la kuba komele sephambili we not like besingasi threat nje we like besikhaphile ukuthi abafethu bazoyithatha i3 point thina simnandi. And another thing mfethu awudlala neretibo King Al-Masri ne is Al-Masri kada no transfer la rona re focus or okay Al-Masri ya wina wangithola go tlo khona go le rona re pushetse o win. But the way ba dlala ka teng mfethu bo Serinho ha ona ntse kopana mabua go sha through ball mfethu passa open like no sina ntse kopana mfana.
into bengisho ukuthi last week kule game la last week bebadlala ne-Al-Masri imele badlalela ukuwina engithola ukuwina ngamagoli bawine like with goals ukhipha i-attacker ufake i-defender
Abakhoja bana maplaya.
and you need goals. Why are you doing that? izolo you need a draw.
bafuna ukuwina.
You so ufuna ukuwina manje against the team as stronger than lebo udlala nayo last week. Bekumele ngabe capitalize wadala ngisho amagoli sawabhenga faka more forwards babhenga amagoli. I would say the best way to defend is to attack.
Kahle kahle. Uku-attack kufuneka ama-creative players.
Uyangithola?
uhlalisa
Abawafaka and ayikuthi abanawo asiringeni iVAR banawo but yile nto lengisho ukuthi abo coach sebabheka ikhahlamba labo no.
but still ikhahlamba labo
Angithola.
le-affecteka ngale nto le lokhu yenzakala.
Yeah,
Affected.
yazi badlala
So-
in. It's better to be safe.
Okay,
than
mfethu
sorry.
ithi ngibeke kanje abo-coach
Angithola,
akunakuthi
badlala dating le.
akunakuthi babheke ikhahlamba labo
Already
i-Kaizer
sold
Chiefs
out.
iyabahlula
Already sold out.
like
That
iyabahlula
can keep it
iyabahlula mfana
Into
iyabahlula.
engisho
safe. Risk
Aye.
it.
risk it.
iyabahlula dog and another thing Joe
Depend once.
bheka intwana mayifaka
Simple.
ku-depend first line up ungamfaka ku-depend sokusele 10 minutes ufuna ukuthi
Ayenze
aphume
magic.
hayi bari you don't do
That is
that.
why it's badlala it's better to be safe than sorry football.
Ke problem yakho. Mawubani akibona game le. Ke chayisitse ne. First thing ekishebile. I'm looking for Ushabalala. Remember Ushabalala is a starter week in week out. Then sacrifice jwang ka game crucial so. Awuqale ka yena, you don't even play. Uyimetsa mfundo kala. Uyeza jwang la because of at some point Ushaba ukhona abambi team like adlala a create plan out of nowhere even though sicaba ukuthi okay sharp akekho clinical when it comes to finishing but then ukhona ukuyenza iplan ukhona ukubona ukuthi lo ni purpose lento ayenza ubathatha something makita tlamela ethi am support la but then nasiyo kola napho so like give up what wethala
Those guys, ne?
wethala
But
never samanguyisa content are they saving him for the upcoming derby or what
awuna dabe etlolwa nge-Kaizer Chiefs ke ehlabele lakhe mfethu abantu utshala amanga
ngeke usevela
Ah,
ama-playoff
bani.
ngedabi basazodlala ama-game.
fair.
mfethu into yokuqala izolo ngibukela igame lethu ne ngal-analyze ngalibuka okay ngakwigame lethu ngal-analyze ngalibuka first half nje I was like no ways because mfana if i-defense yethu i-flat uzokhona jwang bomrem bopolisi mfethu speed ntwana ukhona jwang zitha mawubani bafethu okay anyways bafethu Kaizer Chiefs it is what it is maka angazi ukuthi bawa-analyze ama-game okwenzakalani because kuyacaca ukuthi ama-play wadingakala izolo abantu abasipanayo mina uSolomon bengimfuna first line up umbone makangena second half wenza iplan
Yeah, so Solomon
Young
is more offensive than defending.
And then Fana-
because of his speed, no minus some player deliver those crosses. Ukraine, Ukutnare, and is all into balance in Mabamfa. I thought because we keep Umyan as I'm keep. What I say will true.
Go right back.
Yeah.
Boy too.
Yeah, I think what I say will true. I'm keep on because keep what's it man?
bansithe emapeni
I think
ngidla
kabana msimanga mara kunale lebe insiti because badla lebo yithi umnyane lo Solomon
So go right back bebadlala
Yeah.
ubani bekayi-wing
bokuyi Solomon
Solomon
is more
bekayi-wing.
yeah is more offensive
Bakhiphe-
lo
Oh,
beka defend so like bebadlala kanjalo
bebayenza so.
bebadlala bakhiphe bani for Solomon
lela wayizonzanke batla play bayikhiphileko
so bafaka nalentwana lo touch mabasa
ndlovu babili banisa ndlovu bansithe ndlovu
for mabasa
yeah ndlovu for mabaso
because of Solomon
uNdlovu yena
Serinho
Ndlovu was busy committing fouls
Serinho kenyetse matlowu
yeah Josh
kenyetse
Matlow
matlowu
uMatlowu ucale negame.
Baba.
How?
uvira phansi
Amagame angaka kadala
Sabotage. Sabotage.
ukuthi
sabotage
Ushabalala akekho ku line up saleni sesibona uMatlowu I'm not saying Matlowu is a bad player sibona uMatlowu ulibela ngadlala
uMatlowu is a good player.
umukuku uthengi line up
he's not a bad player
bana bafethu
Mara.
uMatlowu is a good player.
no
ulibela ngadlala
at the current moment no
I'm saying ulibela ngadlala I'm not saying he's a bad player
at the current moment
he's
he's
a
not a
good
good player
If you are not
at the
bad,
current
you are
moment he's
good.
not a good player
exactly
exactly
kanjalo but then ntasadlala umana samtholula ngadlala week in week out udlala kamtholo ntasadlala nakweka ufeni uplana ini uzama ini
in fact
usurprise abomanga nhle
zamalek bayigayile game ngoba
usurprise abomanga kankan awuqeda utofaka
Bayigayile game.
hayi zamalek bayigayile game izona
Bayigayile
Ah,
game.
bayifile,
Oh,
bayithwala.
ngicabanga ukuthi like babagayi game.
babagayile bathi mina
uzogaya uvilakazi 10 minutes utenzeni ngale 10 minutes uvilakazi
uyamfrustrate ozoyenza
because of already ungena sekane pressure
and the
Easy
Kaizer
plan.
Chiefs mfana they like playing yabona the last dying moments of the game badlala i-positional football ngathi bayaleader Joe
yeah
I'm like-
quick touches
not even quick
Ngibona.
relaxed bra not even Ntwana,
the team
so
ayinandaba.
hambile ne baba so hambile
amakhulu yakhe
ukuyi-third half yabo so hambile ibhola libuyele emuva futhi salo circulator futhi liyabuya umuntu ongenile wayenza iplan mfana uSolomon unala akuka mawuthatha try 1 wathi uzama ukuka S4 yazi ukuthi ivele yamgamzimba athatha idisk so ngibona ukuthi umuntu bekafuna ukushaya iplan akhona ukuhlaba ibhola langene phakathi kwe18 box understand okenya mtho mfethu angazi mina ukuthi igatari wayi bamhlalisa ebenchini into yokuqala uFlavio is not a striker
Hayi, man.
though.
Aha.
hayi man sathanula ikotaro ka
In fact, Uflavio is not a striker.
ikotaro
He's not a
Hey.
striker, bro.
usasa khona
Yeah, still there.
Yeah, uzoya.
alimala mtu
Nope.
uright
Hey.
Alimal.
tu
So, yabona, and ngikutshela ibari, I feel like ama-player
Yeah, man.
engicabanga ukuthi engicabanga ukuthi angas assista ukuthi i-team ibe ngcono ila ma-player bangawadlali ukuqala. Le ntwana le ubani? Shillets or something le bayibhayile. Since ifikile
why
kadla.
sadla
Le ntwana le is it left or right back le bayise Portugal. Abang lena asodlala. Batman, abo-Batman, abo-Duba, lezo ntwana sifuna intwana zethu back ukuthi compete. Angeke uzofaka abo-Pule Emudi abantu abasenzela ifavor badla ngathi basenzela ifavor. Abo-Serinho ndoto Serinho, come on brother.
Kule modo urenew contract.
Come on brother.
Urenew
And udlala
contract.
amanyala.
Akarenew.
Sorry Serinho makadlala amanga.
urenewile
Oh, kwenzakalani ureka expire contract.
Kangazi maybe aso expire.
Maybe usasele ngabo 3 years, ne?
Yo.
Or 2 years. Phela ngeyokugcina.
Yeah, not too.
Hayi baba.
Abamela ha.
Ubheke lama player ngeyokugcina makumele
Bashi.
baba ngeke ubayenze nix bayasithusa nathi.
Nathi
Ano ntwana yami ama coach lawa ya
yeah
nangisasho nanu
awavai
ba focused indabeni ezingabafuni
betheni inhle last week
ey'ntweni ezingabafuni
press conference
yabona
bathi ngivela
yizo lezi engikhuluma ngazo bathi bona badlala amagame abhaya
open to pen games.
yeah and they are representing South Africa bese bathi there's a team I don't want to mention names
okay
yeah basho kanje there's a team
That
yona
team.
I represent in next Africa mara
They said that.
yeah
yo
Yeah.
You lying, gents.
that team
Arrogance, bruh.
izolo bedlala igame yabo e16 whereas bona basana 15 games akubona abana ama game ne
all in all
Arrogance, bro.
all in all that team yidlala amagame abhayo ukwadlula
ukudlula bona
so lento bekayisho uyabona that is why ngithi they are more focused ey'ntweni ezingabafuni rather than prepare team nidlale
Now it
nibhola
makes
niwinini.
perfect sense.
I-Pirates last season
Mm.
the Caruso he said that sinda
So
le bana WhatsApp
na
group
le mina income umntwana
and they didn't
they are
get
trying to distract that team abangafuni ukwention
Orlando Pirates.
yeah
Okay,
we distract
and I'm going to something.
Focus. should know bashifta in i-attention
kubo
bayisa ngala
that's what I said ngoCaruso last week
nakani labantu abaya because of now thina indlini zethu kuyanyiwa amanzi ayangena and manje no safuna
for ukuthi amanzi angene athathe itina bazilahlele next door ukuthi nabo kungena amanzi bangafocus kuwo
So
bayekala bafocus ekala
Namvana get the way Lingate.
Buwa.
I'm not being biased. Ne?
buwa
I'm not being biased. Like reality.
be straight
No baka.
be raw kanama
No baka. Bana lang step phela. No baka even if they can try whatever, I'm fine. To shift whatever tension and whatsoever, there's no team that's gonna stop this train, fine.
okay
There's no team at this current moment that's gonna stop Orlando Pirates. Even on Wednesday, listen, my prediction, even on Wednesday,
yeah
Pirates 2-0 against Sundowns. Then against Kaizer Chiefs, I'm fighting for a draw, but I know pretty well Uguti Pirates is on shy, and I'm not sure Uguti is on shy because I'm not capable. izongishaya because of the players that I have abacanga ukuthi babhig abacanga ukuthi i-first lineup ihlala kuyawo abangasebenzeli ischeme sabo
Awuphule
let's how
emoji,
izinto
lo.
ezifana ngakhona exactly futhi not even empule emudi vie I'm talking about this guy kima Matlo for what
Long and short.
Matlo for what
Long and short.
Let's say Matlo is a good
Matlo
player.
for
Long
yo
and short.
okay
No, I
listen
No.
re qeta ke tsebile ke highlightile ka at this current moment he is not a good player umisa kae
understand it. I'm
umisa kae
I'm press.
yo
Long and
ngimakho
short in fact is not a player. The player can. You need 100 minutes. So I told you minutes, Mr. Makoko point 2. I told you minutes. So like that's not 20 minutes obviously.
I'm Kawatile riding there
and mfana like yabona izinto masihlala zilibeseni bakho sokuqhawatheka uzlandela attention engekho
engekho
in conclusion Kaizer Chiefs abo coach focus on egaming bafit focus on eteamini yethu nikeleni izinto ezenzakala ngaphandle because nakhona mfethu i-team eGroot le ngeke ningitshela ukuthi analyze ama game
they do
angeke ningitshela ukuthi analyze
just that coaching ayikho
and that's ke feel nka re tsala nda nka re di player di reka scheme the way ke feel nka teng aphela ke shebile amatlom mfethu ayina explanation ayina yona nix hape ntho engwe hape ya vila le shabalala ayina explanation le so re bitsa ndiding
mfana uvile no Shabalala
noma se ba go secure back ya uzwang o sabotage team phela ke sabotage straight pure the talent wa rona ba reng ke legend
okay yeah ni Sundowns
in conclusion
Yeah,
yeah please about
yeah sorry
now they are focusing on the league.
ayikho le
Seven high trophy nje is trophy sele for this season. So like they power up to care.
maybe sibaye fluke they might fluke it
abaflikile lapho sizojabula nakhona
So like we don't know ukuthi mabaphumela and mababuya mayuzo kanjani.
so focus ku
okay but yazini into
so
ezobakhawatha
focus ku festive
yazini into ezobakhawatha ngeke badlale week in week out
Yeah.
so manje match fitness yabo ngeke ibe on
At
par
least bazoba enough time
Yes.
to prepare for
mari match fitness important
yeah match fitness mfana kuya ngami lama game esiwadlalile vele ne match fitness ikhona but now in terms of restructuring
Exactly.
getting the formula the winning formula then iso lesikhatha
bazoba
khulu nakhona if labo coach labayabona
bapreparela in because
Exactly.
now phela the position nebabuya
yazi manje siprepare in
elite
idabi ntwana
elite
manje siprepare
manje
idabi
Stellenbosch
amnandaba ne-Stellenbosch asiprepare la idabi yaziwa ngisho kanjani iyo zodetermine everything phela i-Stellenbosch kahle kahle angeke ngisivume ukuthi ngishaka i2 ngayo ngala lama player la
ukutshela yona
ngala ama player wona la
ukuthi no ibeef ukuthi lezi angeke mfit beef
at least bazofocus on again because of nathi angithi yakhombona phuma kwethu it was a blessing in disguise look at us now
you're cruising
yeah
nicely
cruising
you see
nicely so
talking about cruising nicely I see even with the sellings or what the transfer of players uba le defender le yashaya unkonkonje
ungathi yasho
angithi ngikhumbula ngayo
Olisanda mfethu ulisurface la ko Winelands yeah and that trainer is hoping to secure a contract
something
so like ukara so it's fun because of now I thought not to remain a Mosuwi but somehow the kitchen of a failure to Papella remember it's a free agent so I can't any team I ever. So I'm surprised.
These guys they send too many free agents up on Pirates.
He still is
Chiefs. Chiefs.
Kimang rim sign ile njani ma free agent.
Marco mwenye.
Kibuaka olibuaka nando. Business strategy.
Contract but then I think it's a great move if you track why remember re le ga bua ka Stelisa here Stelisi ke team e le go no re ka show like they are only building phase and yet ka me ba tsetele season on high it's the same time because of our team ka mluisa no create lang season e fail
right I think yeah right rebuilding le na
rebuild that ke ka vena nto montšha ya sa tsana tlo tsala season e hantle di players le go no di security and then after the team I grand. So like I think it cover movie grand for him.
lena ke atlantle ke re atlantle msatsi kana kwa grand
Yeah.
vanhu va restructure lena he
What
needs
the
to actually
distraction because of now. That's a almost a year, ne? Injury and being injured jwalo utlile di-plans di nda ko Pirates
selo ndiyalwana
ka fihlile be a tsamaya wa understand so like no na le motšhaba tsame seema so like there was no I think we be fair mo lona separate the Pirates mutual agreement.
what was the mutual agreement
The mutual agreement was that
2 minutes contract.
is a player team contract right now. Probably not consider EJR. Logos were injury.
Ufuna ukudlala ku-World Cup.
And then what was the World Cup can Nigeria. So like we need 30 minutes. So like go yakusana space. Betricky vele
Let me pause.
So like I think we be fair. Katilanyana usual. That's why sina hey ulisanda Pirates di alright iva ile kile kwa ko steady hopefully career ka khona adlale vi Nigeria khona mbiza after all ke play great
hayo bheka tsela hiyo ngithola
good player that one
So yeah, no, good play.
good player that one
Manje Champions League, Sundowns, Rulani, bona bese kuliwa lapha.
ene mina leyo game angiyibonanga mfana
Yeah, idlala ngesikhathi
It was
esirongo,
PSR.
bekudlala i-big institution, so
Mamelodi Sundowns
engeke ilunge.
Mamelodi Sundowns
Yeah, ngokutshela yakhumbula ngithi badlala i-OL.
Mamelodi Sundowns
Yabo?
ngathi owel bekuyikaizer chiefs kule scenario
Mamelodi
Yeah,
Sundowns knew like it qualify for last 8
Abam-outsmartile uRulani zwa.
bomhlakaniphela
shapile ka di-mind games
So mina yazini into engikhinya yediskin. Uyabonisa bam-outsmartile izo bamshayile 2-0 clean. Then ngibone sekunama-excuse social media ukuthi ama-player nawo yini aswag.
Balolani
Yeah, or into ayidinga yama-player or khanafika yabo sekunama-excuse abhaya sekunalezo zinto lezo manje ukuthi uyangithola ngabe bayasho ukuthi no i-Sundowns Mikel Cardoso outsmartile uRulani umshayile clean school ene umface kangaki uRulani akaze amshaya uCardoso
udlala i-draw physics ne badlala i-draw
sengiyasho ukuthi bona head to head yabo bethu anti wamkhipha ku-Champions League na last time uRulani asakhujwa ku-Sundowns ku-semi-final so
yeah
akaze amshaya
yeah
so that means uyam-outsmart
uyamazi
yangithola
technically
yeah
uyamshaya
uyamstadisha Grincha
uyamshaya
yeah uyamshaya kumshaya but
In
you know
all
like
honesty.
nakhona singasho ukuthi uyamshaya nani masingabheka okay lapho ke lento le icede ukusho manje ukuthi abantu bayakhuluma ukuthi maybe ama-player maybe usandukufika nani nakhona I think when it comes to ama-player kaRulani i-team sekanesikhathi singakanani la
isizini yakhe yokuqala le
is it ushaye full season or
Ucale nayo isizini ayeke kapheli
Isizini yakhe.
sase-ongoing makuwini cup.
yeah but the thing akuse-excuse yakana di-player
That's what I'm saying.
akuse-excuse
Bangamenzeli ama-excuse. Bamshayile
ife kawinile
number 1 kana iking
ife kawinile bekuzoshuka ke
number 1
immediate
so basikaphuka ka excuse
Bamshayile bangamenzeli ama-excuse yasekasi but
ibhola
honesty
like people were hoping with obvious Rulani will Sundowns
Yeah.
utobaba bathi ukakashangalwareng utobaba utobaba
so like very
mobile
remember Sundowns idlala ama-main games again ngayo before the game ukuthi they've suspended the analyst what uyangithola so like but the analyst kana ka di-tactics ko Rulani ga playing so ba suspend for ba suspending for
itswile wathi bile jwang
Banalini.
Yakhumbula njengoba street yakuphi back then. Ukutshela ukuthi indaba mfana ungacanga ukuthi kubalekile iyaphuma. Kwaze kanjani ngale ndaba?
So like
mina mfana ngiyakutshela
and speaking of which, olalele ngikiboni. Ngapula Carlos utheni? Magathi there are teams ama officials wakhona mita nama-review. Dingeka ikambe yajayivile. Because of he needs to prove or like official.
Yeah.
And then PSL must confirm or like the official team so ile amtali review na. It's a serious case. So if you wanna prove then I or like PSL correct.
So if you not prove
I keep reborn.
But at this moment, I still see.
it's a hearsay.
But that main case.
Yeah, it's a
I
hearsay.
don't really analyst here. It's just main games in case urulande kabadli.
Yeah.
Young told we as with lento lizoweka in their favor. Yeah, really analyst. Same thing at some match officials nana. Lela game lela Amazulu. He knew ukuthi if you Pirates win,
Is one number one.
Fast
Is a
reach.
top. Yeah.
young told. So bekumele aswitch fast ukuthi kube nomruso. So that's kube ngathi kune pressure. In fact bayenzile last year jana yakhumbula people solana ku February. They did the same thing. So number one.
You know I wouldn't be surprised if ever.
Yeah, very this keep of it is not only like it doesn't only happen in the field. I mean that's everywhere. I love to stepping on the road, baba.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Kubayenza kanjani? Young told. So but it's fine. Mara mina into engisho that ever since awukwazi uzwe i-coach Pirates whenever iya ku social media uthi ndaba laba badlala amagame laba amagame abhayi laba ama-match officials. They don't do that too. They just mind their own and do their thing.
Yazi lento lefana nani?
Ngekhala ngama-player wayo ukuthi we need to be critical in the final third. Ikwatele ejijengile yokuphela. Ukuthi labaya
Yazi ifana nani lento le? More unfit usefielding uzoba la. Mawumele udlale le. Mawufit le ayikaffect in any way. So hence I'm saying ukuthi they can do whatever. They're not gonna stop this train because it's still moving.
Clearly baba no like.
Okay, I reckon so. Since season iqalile nalo sika
Any
Pirates.
two. Molikin.
That's okay. I really league specific.
Molikin
Champions League.
Champions League 1-3.
Then sharp. Then the team engwe
Which one?
Sundowns. Na lose guy.
Lose one. Molikin.
Like
Yeah, I think
overall.
Molikin
Yeah, Lily throws the account. Then Kishebana now. Lena ke mo skipeng se sa di throw tse pa losing. Hey, I'm very so then you ubheka lento le ubheke namagoli. Amagame wina ubheka namagoli.
Currently we're leading Sundowns how many goals? 3.
Wayibona la linge.
We have plus 17.
Then game A elidlala ngi Tuesday Wednesday. Pirates ayisha Sundowns. Ivayile
You
league.
must maintain the clean sheet.
Badula bawina nje league ivayile.
Plus 2 or plus 3 goals. Don't goal difference kuphela.
Go.
I think Renal plus 17 the goal difference.
Kiye 2.
2 ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because of
Goal against 2.
So like man.
So lamanye ama-team which my guess
Bell. Yabona wins 12 wins. Sundowns how many? 9.
9.
Mabazodlala manje kuzoba maybe exactly. So you check into the wins, ushaba the draw, ushaba the goal scored. Then
As they say, Yemi Nenza got 3 points.
how unfit? How fit? Lema bani soki boni.
let's be bathi so
Number
challenge
1. 6, 5.
legend Sundowns number 5 Amazulu number 4 so yabona kama legend la amanye akhuluma ezinye
bafuna
Okay, despite
sikhulume ngawe. Sikhuluma ngawe. Tebekhola ngamani. Bezikhuphile nawo.
despite the fact that okay, wo Sekhukhune wo number mang, but at least the team they are improve. They improve. They improve.
Yeah,
But
why-
the thing,
Yabo,
While
ukuthi
Sunday-
i-election date is-
while Sundowns
no.
in Matata.
The hype ya Sekhukhune now, I think seyehlile eLungu.
Akanye Sekhukhune simo sheda.
Ngangithola.
Mfayso u-
Sekhukhune they enjoyed nje
Hlokusi.
uspoilela Orlando Pirates mnadi wabo, so like
Hlokusi CCM.
ukasi spoile mnadi ka team ya di Ghost.
I'm not le player leli ke bedlala against ini nezolo. O looking otladisa. Libuya kini ne. Island imnandi le.
Kahle has been good.
Ene obona leli coach ya
Angazi ukuthi Sekhukhune-
coach ya Sekhukhune.
Sundowns.
Ephethu ngibona ka bo coach kaofela nje. Okay, not kaofela, some of them. I think he chilled last week. The subs sabona kaofela di wrong. Ngeke ukhiphe umuntu okhona ukudlalisa kulandela ibhola kuphi uzofaka umuntu nje unga striker sowugorela. Seloring satuma njalo sidlala Kaizer Chiefs le Pirates. Umlahlela side. Ungamuthi okay sathi ngiphiye lo sanana ke zamombona lento umkenya dako di. Phela uthi kuwankana ke man Clifford. Bambisa Clifford, right?
Oh, Jason Clifford.
Clifford mfana mawani
The one who killed us.
if
First league.
Nale as the target man, I'm telling you mfana kabe maybe Sekhukhune and something different in terms of goals.
Yeah,
I understand.
because of Galanti and any moments
Uthi Sekhukhune kalanse
whereby they say push a game to Pirates. Pirates say defend.
li free kick le mo ring da.
ngibone.
Angithola una mo thola mbolo tenga wayikhela mo le king fa post. Nana if nal positioning e grand imthola le mo le mo pila udimal box. Na kwara so ka senke motho spanelang o tsebang gore o lethal when it comes to the game tse so.
Position.
That's why ke chong mispositioning le substitution. On sa tla ke mang o tla disa o kenya motho o leng ha overlay ba e ko pele o tshwara ball fela wa hold.
Nah, o tla disa o tintile siso.
I can tell you yo
You sukumezitse
Una le mo-
ka first 5 minutes.
o sho but no police.
Abahlanyiswa bo-
Bahlangisa kokugcina ufuke nyana walalisa abantu makacela.
Ama kubona ngamfavor lo utladisa mafethu. Ayimnandi le nto. Ayimnandi le.
Walalisa mfethu from go Sundowns asantana a.
Yo imnandi ntwana.
Ngiyamela Sundowns King Platinum Stars.
Mm.
From there, since that, ntwana ne kitse bo bontshwe. That's why Pirates tine eventually saying
And then when it la sona mo itla polo e rekete rakat. Watch it. And so mpela iqato rakat no sota shape a itse ka le ka lento le e kena so. Santana batla itshwara ise ko mra.
So like we unfortunately la go Pirates go fihlile apara di tracksuit tsa dila ra standing.
And like Pirates of Satize ba re bua ka yona. Satize. It's like it is current wa bona for no. Why this one link? It's on a league game. Yeah, back then bo Man City le bo
Yeah.
Sundowns but obvious game. Obvious game.
So like
I don't know. We must be happy
That's
as
why
players.
being
We are witnessing
It's a
this talent
Sunbam.
in real time. Too.
In fact,
Like you are watching this talent.
those khosana la ikhona mfana enhlekeni kuyibe yebheka le view ndoni ngithola ule uyalala
Just celebrational time.
lento lithi ngiyashaya mfana isikhosana wathi ngiyavala awugcina ubone ngiyalala nalo.
Shout out to
Ede ka le polo le hantle. Itse qeta hore o bone hore if ka pusha vie. Ah ba to intercepta vela ba itse ke tsana le re ke cheap fela ke. Pasa pala.
now yakanda ala shayile short arubina kumgeza.
Actually
expected more to
la khona bengana chance okushaya short because he was off balance already. That's why vele wa.
Sekisho like if ever na ushaya short nakamgeza because of Arubi very experienced that one.
Aynalmo akitsi ka na shebile unalmo unala namsajela wamshanga snapshot wamuthi la arongo place athe ngaye ngathi shaya pinky whatever pink uthile pinky swe
2 times.
pinky finger
Okay, mtache.
tsia
But then anyway,
shout out to Tito Fitsunayo.
Travis.
Yeah.
Travis.
Kitchen Macau.
amari
We course.
ayekhohlwa izolo udlalile awudlalile izolo yo mara ntale dlalile ngivie eshayile mistake kimang defender ke sema ne
No.
ya mo shapa mistake a khutla after that mistake hayi after lapho stela mfana stela and ngishayelani lento le bengicanga ukuthi nizoshota ngayo lapha emuva lento benza umboka athi stretch amabhola yakhona kwa-stretch ya-stretch
yaphasa yini
leya ngayiboni
I think
ngayibona
Van Rooyen.
umsendane ngimtshela umsendane Tibo ngena la
I think not him.
yena yeli wena oza
Dino Van Rooyen.
amsendani yena asuthole ifili yayo
Izolo udlale elinye igame
oya
Umbonise-
nodingo naye
ungibonise ihanga kancane lento ngimfuna ngayo
no ahamba ngiyakutshela match fitness the day ayibamba athi uzoyibona le ukuthi mina
And- yazini
ibe seyiphethe yalimala
injani
injani angithola yena nolibizo naye uyalwa baba ngakhona
mako-Van Rooyen bekangana lento le noma nga-overlap but that final pass or final thing bekangakhoni nalento leyo ukuthi I think kulokhu yakhula makalokhu aku-Pirates wabona lintshwatsetsa gore a-overlap immediate aqeda fita boma-center line sakhona ho sheba so pele na ne le play le gore sheba so ba tlo kena aba but no sa khona lo a connect ball from mometleleng a take still without having to be
I think it is
hesitant or so
environmental umuyo
then hence ke chongo wawo mfana
udlala libo madlala nimfukeng ungabaleki mfukeng uzokushanga ama half pass
ebafethu amake maqala kahle kahle angazi ukuthi
ushanga ama half pass
angazi ukuthi ngibeke kanjani le question le i-game silwina e-groundini noma silwina before singene e-groundini
I think both because of that's why that's why ngithi both ikhombisa kwabeka statement wathi badlala kubafana bafana badlala nePortugal bacula laphaya bazama ukushaya mentality yePortugal ukuthi ibe
motivated
yabo bacula abadlala kodwa ingwenya bezimile abasingaculi zibhekile sithi
focus
azangene eground azababulala azababulala athi ngabona ayento yocula isipani man hayi lento le ayisibiza ngisacula yabo but
ukucula you boosting your own morale not to sometimes to intimidate futhi amanye ama-team
yeah ukuthi angithi win igame before bantu so abanye abantu yabasipanela le
abanye abaspanile
ikahembe ispanel
oh
Sharp.
bani
asikhohle
so yasipana le
small bash
so directly that is why mina ngithi both somehow manifuna ukubabulala ngibabulala kanjani ngiyacula ngitshela dala babheka la ngikhokuseli nje lihle kanjani laba bekho mnandi sawazi lawo kungakhokisa amahle abalazi yabo you're trying to kill them before you go inside then when you inside you have to show ukuthi wena ngoba udlala ngetempo yakudala kumele wabonise ukuthi umnandi green and black yabo so
all right
kokulezile
yazi ngikhulumela phezulu yazi wangibuza good environment one key point ne
okay
wangibuza lento le ukuthi igame isilwina off the field or efieldini if mfana environment yakho or surrounding yakho it's healthy sesiwinile you understand that's one thing ngisho like we talk about chemistry unity understanding each other despite ukuqula despite ukuqula but now it's part of it it's part of it yes that's what I was saying no like ngikhulumela phezulu kwani I can see growth yaka Van Rooyen he spoke about ilokhuzana environment so if in fact environment grand it's easy for player or for wena nje in general ukuthi izinto zakho zibe grand
understand follow support you like
yeah that's what we saying environment
so obvious ga bua re le play also sheba mfethu dla limthoso mo side le so utlubulela space wena tlamelo etse so ska wa go khana
and another thing if ukasheba mfethu like team as a perform grand let's say otla with good intentions utlonje ukuphulela ukisa 1 2 3 ebekinga katseleng because we're not in the right space like the environment aronayo sharp but let's say for onaje Pirates for Orlando Pirates none the great example ka Van Rooyen maybe like onal more Paisan thing because the atmosphere grand, like the energy, health and everything. No matter what you want to know, keep positivity. I understand. We digest that grand. I told you.
Okay, ngizokubuyela epoint ngisathi both
Mhm.
because of ubheke nalawo maplayer la angibiza amagama sengiyasho any player elibuya ku small team so the environment bengekho great but still we are outshine everyone
because of his capable. Ama-abilities wakhe antswembu.
Okay, come again. Like I didn't get what you said.
angithi ngithi environment
Yeah.
so uzoba better and better because of environment.
Yeah.
So mina what I'm saying is somehow kumele ubheke nokuthi ubuya va.
Yeah.
Okay.
So nale environment abuya kuyo ne angithi ngikhuluma winning before the game
Yeah.
so ukuthi le environment abuya kuyo akusi winning mentality whatever but yena uyakhona ukushine everyone like apolice kupulukwane sithi bekuvuye kuphela iplayer ebelingakhona
With shining star.
but bekangekukhona ukubonakala because bebayabona group
Or maybe the level akuyo
yeah
with the team.
fine. So that's why ngithi mina I think it's both coming from the environment ngayo na on the field
Na individual. Yeah, individual. When you individual.
yeah ngithola being that's why ngenza example yabo apolice okay you know Stellenbosch sabo beshisa lithi weshisa like ama player man abhaya man la akho afikile la le defender le kuyakudala chabatsana yabo some mina ngifila ukuthi both mina thingithi
And like,
ngifila ukuthi it's both
yeah, like I'm not disputing what you're saying.
Right.
Kahle mina into okay sibeke kanje.
Kulelo webeka ngakhona. Yena uyibeka
no ngifuna wena uthi it's both or uthi
No, like
yeah
okay for me
yeah.
like a vital kakhulu it's off the
the
field.
field
You understand?
yeah
Why ngisho kanjalo? Let's say sibeke kanje. Esingithatha uFan Royen ngimsusa kuPirates ngimisa Kaizer Chiefs.
and see how
Ne. He's a good player. Udlala grand nani okay, it's ngisusela. Ngithi umnyani nomakho. Mabasuka kuPirates.
yeah
Bobona la ukuthi ngithola kuyadlalwa but the environment ngaleso sikhathi leso bengekho grand but still they perform because i-standard se-Pirates that's how singakhona ngithi uyabashift baletha Kaizer Chiefs. The environment already it's different because we're trying to fix restructuring, there's mistakes izinto eziningi, you're trying to focus on yourself ngapha izinto ze-team, you understand? Now umnyani noma ngangena let's say the whole of i-season yonke kuzoba nama-game la azodlala khona the way bekadlala ngakhona kunamanye ama-game la azonyamalala khona in regards to because environment is not feeding him good energy. It's not like uyafisa ukuthi yazini ngafika ethimini la ngizothi mangifika izinto zibonakala ngizela ngokuzonceda. Understand angizelanga la ukuthi igame lami limprove maybe ngibona amanye ama-team phela la ku-Kaizer Chiefs la khona manje ulwela ukuthi i-team iwine ulwela ukuthi athole i-first line up ulwela izinto ey'bhayi but whereas if beka ku-Pirates into bekayilwela uyazi ukuthi ngilwela maybe ukuthi ngisuse okay maybe ngithole ukuthi ngidlale game time ngilwela ne-league ngilwela ama-cup ngilwela thina silwela ini manje ukulungisa
question akakiye ore
baba wena how
adaptability ya di-player or like they adapt ku
playing
playing entsha semibitswa ka yi nka how long or play like adapt
uya ka player la
abuya ngeplayer mthembu buya ngeplayer mina that's why ngithi in football 30% it's your talent 70 it's your brains example so speaking about that a question for you both of you guys mina ngicabanga ningathi hey because uzoyicabanga ngingizela no njengoba siringana
visionary
oh yeah
uyabonisa
Karen amanayi not Karen ngizokutshela ukuthi why ngiyadala who's your footballer of the season yini bafethu
currently it's like no
this season who's your footballer of the season
really
yeah it's quite obvious for me yeah
Really?
really it's quite obvious
nami ngithi real ne mara uthi kumdisi athi yena bengiyadala you can't be footballer of the season, ne? If you don't score against big teams. I think we were kanjalo, or you can't be footballer of the seasons with 3 goals. Something like this. I think we're looking at 3 goals.
Like 4. Yeah, not 3. Not 3.
Not.
Yeah,
Okay,
not 3.
let's go on Bala.
Because of Lily.
nalele ungola balbalanga lele ungola shaya ipalo khona la shaya goalkeeper.
Yeah, so it's 3 goals. So that means in bigger games like Yella Wednesday, the Kaizer Chiefs, who really must
Score.
step up and score. So, before I say my say, all right, do you think all right and they show?
Leyo ukuthi 3 goals nani.
Yeah,
Or
that
maybe
means
scoring
football of the
against
season.
big teams.
Yeah.
So Makala, we understand the question yakho, ithi dissect. Are you asking ukuthi right ngokuthi urile ukore 3 goals or right in regarding to ile nto ukuthi akascore against ama big teams?
Football of the season with 3 goals and can be football of the season. Sikakhulumela ngento ezwe ngale game lesakho.
Yeah.
Ukuthi if ufuna ukuba football of the season,
Mala correct lama.
Big occasions.
Yeah, on big occasions.
Well, it's his opinion. I can't say it's wrong, but I believe ukuthi lento ekhulumayo for me,
Yeah.
it doesn't make sense.
My brother.
Because already if it's mangathola ubheka, you ask everyone who's performing ku-PSL currently. Kuvele igama likaRele. Apolice yabo bani but Rele is there on top.
Before mina ngiphendula. Here's the thing. I still wanna know criteria.
I knew.
Yeah, but
ngifuna criteria ukuthi ngahle to be a football of the year.
funakala in how many goals?
How many goals?
I get what
And
you're saying. Against
big
how
teams.
exactly.
Yeah. And then what if I
Just like Ipalen top.
what if I go against the big teams
But
and yet it's go against teams?
But it counts, bro. Hence I'm saying ukuthi it doesn't make sense. Wabona next about to fit la montsong ya criteria, but neketse go e to batla re break it down of which is
So but and
it's your opinion in general.
This thing football is like the captains in the
Coach, yeah.
that the team the PS.
And already favorite.
I don't know ka tsona like depends the analyst tsebo o etsalang ka tsona ba kgetha go kae.
Maybe when it comes to voting, side of things.
And you can see that Tebo Mkwe winning football of the season.
We say in the performance.
Performance.
Was showing up.
Against the Chiefs in Sundowns,
Yeah.
2-2 and it.
You don't have to score.
Umana so for lawa manje scoring assist lawa.
And ubheke enye into mfethu back to back. Lo muntu lo thola man of the match like back to
3
back.
times.
Ama game kanje alandelayo.
It's like in order for like for example, in order for like Pirates to win the league, you don't have to beat Sundowns and Chiefs.
Exactly.
But then Lama team lawa man, they need to collect them points and they need to score goals. But then even if it's not it's fine. The social media, hey, this and this, but then
That ingabe kile wetsalang ka teng.
izolo mangibukela igame ngingasho ngathi nali game important le Sundowns ne Chiefs
Ama game wonke important mfethu.
sekitsho like in terms of like learning in a buka ke pizzo on tsanka di
Yeah, you don't have to beat.
you don't need to beat Pirates in order to win league.
You collect points on a moment. How fit go Pirates how it's all in tsa my grade wa tsebo go right.
So kila lenge le go no matita tlamela focus o yena go Sundowns sure.
And again twetlotseng team ya ka maobane.
So like I think the community statement is up so good to really not 3 goals you can be a footballer. Angazi ukuthi maybe we
It's coming from somewhere, yeah. It's coming from somewhere.
Upusha mntwana work hard.
Maybe.
Spana. Gawubona nalona riding o khona step up o show up kuri but then push go like o khona score.
Rona batho ba social media.
Last season no be really. Mona be football of the season.
Bamkaye ya mesplayer the season.
Mona be.
Now to be like fine.
Yeah, ba sabotage.
Ubani?
Repeat.
Oh,
Lehambile.
Oh yeah.
Mfethu.
thina-ke
Last
masithi
season really ukorile against Chiefs, against Sundowns.
Yeah.
and wathatha ifinali
Ushaya
finally.
Sundowns
So
like
that's
5
why
minutes elikini.
I-statement sakhe somehow angisizwa.
That's why ngithi thina abantu be-social media
That's why
sizothi unekwali
Yikho
Abe-social media.
angazi ukuthi kuya.
aba-understanda bazosho ukuthi hayi
Sika unekwali nentwana,
uyamkhulisa.
or uyamphusha ukuthi ntwana pusha even harder. You're getting there.
Yeah, you're my favorite food.
Yeah,
And that's
because of your favorite.
ngathi singathola le clip le question le ukuthi is it ikwali noma uyamkhulisa umntwana
Yeah.
lapha ku TikTok nje abantu ba-comment yeah.
Discourage or kasi
Yeah.
probably maybe we were so mntwana wa ishebela say maybe wa ishebela already wa ibona uri akatla kutsho ngokwana khotman le batla maybe ke kore more ke hlale la cause of na akibone mntwana le position 10
And ito breakari record tse bhatsa player tse bhatsa
unama assist abhayi unama assist
And mona
Izolo laphaya.
ya ubona ukuthi nokutshela ka tsona
that's the thing emunisa ama man of the match
yabona into ngikutshela ngayo le lama window lawo arule washaya ke mfana hayi nawashaya mfana kunale lashaya ngazi la DD player la umremo trapper khona ukuthi uphusha futhi kanti uphushe kakhulu
yazi izolo ne I was hoping ukuthi uMakhawula athole man of the match award.
yeah lena was hoping he
But
worked
then
but Spanish
umasonga limakaphuzi I knew ukuthi something la and urile makaya lapha faka umdrili then kuzenzakala something and it happened
etaba
waze wabona
ka mawubani no the way nelika thing ne never ukhono u selector man of the match so no tshwantse vele rela emisel so ibe obvious ibe obvious amakunala umasonga intana athi lala umbuthi umile umbuthi bekasifunela igoli lesi2
lento umbuthi babe kumele ayenze into enzima
Into ucoach akhala ngayo.
uMakhupa izolo umfuke emakethe ubonile ukuthi alenye impass uMakhupa wa break defend wayali le nje obizolala lapha sekane space la
emaka na umisa amahe umahupa amathepini lawa ndoda yo
Bathi uPito makaphuma izolo la embenchini. Angibona ngaleyo phansi.
ubani uTiti
wanga nophe okwathe ukuthi bamkhiphi akuyona ingwe king
maybe akathi
mara mfana okay akayibona mara sekyatsho kere if I benching itira ukwathe to substitute
or maybe uthole maybe ukatsa batho tse pa uthole maybe utsile maybe una le noko uya stretching kara balompopola le doctor you don't know
that's why I get your if I'm not saying uyenze but if
implicated in awukwathe astaneso
but that's what injury that's the thing that's what injury Wang understand?
una le noko
yeah maybe ke no ganze ke chore
ukatsa ka no vakren by the time
ma go itsotse neng
what's
name?
Wata nakuyithola la usaba in contact with opposition play.
Uyikwela fela.
Maybe
Ka uwa.
uthinyele nyana anthola so like intonyana tshejwala. That's the
Okay Tito. We hoping ukuthi awuyenza ngalento lesicabanga ngayo.
ngakukhohlile. Akakhohlile Wednesday mathala. Sayifuna le ambulance.
Ambulance asethembisa ibuyile.
Ngithi sikhuluma ngabantu abashonisela abanye abantu bafuna imali zabo back.
Ubani umashonisa?
Yeah, iswayilo sibafethu ishonisa status isifuna back. Sine interest. Isifuna sine interest. Ifuna status sine interest. Labantu abasikhuluma ngabashonisa abajamba kunento bangasitsheli yona.
abafowethu bafile izolo mfethu ngendaba amavaliva ngendaba zamashonisa mekanje
Okay bafethu umashonisa engikhuluma ngayo la ebafethu umashonisa engikhuluma ngayo la umroka swayelusi bekabole kumarumo galanti imali inyane ethizeni yabo manje ufuna back manje thini ngalokho
Indaba ye-status.
yeah status basically
So I think manje yabona nokuzoba ibhekile ama-politician because of
yabona masesa politicize
Unokosolus onakho nobani?
ubani
Susu. Finance.
uyasibuza unasitshela
angazi nami nginashare maybe nginashare
ubani
sazi
amfana ring into
707.
ring into
we stand to receive that knowledge that you're giving to us
And I think there is something. Manje uGallant
Okay.
i-owner yakhona
Yeah.
incosi
Ngama-Kings.
kaMahambe.
Ngama-Kings. Ibeke
Oh,
straight.
yakhe.
Ibeke straight. Ugalanzi.
Yeah.
Akusiyo. Ngama-Kings eswelile.
Oh, Swele. Oh, bengicabanga ukuthi ibhethile yama.
Makacolisi. Makacolisi.
Oh, iGalanzi.
Angikazi leGalanzi into ukuthi kwenzakalani status iswalo sifuna ukuya ku-PSL.
Kren.
So iGalanzi yona ithini ngadile ngile.
Igalanzi bangafuna ifoni. Basengile.
Hey.
Itsila iswayelosi if igalanzi ayifuni. Ifune enye team ezofeinta nyani by
Simple.
status.
Ngizona ngoba attacker
Oh,
Galanzi.
it's either.
Or maybe not the terms about it.
Just
Nampe
put it out there.
Mhm.
It's either. Mina now. Uthi kimi ufuna leskipa seshibo bomeng.
Okay.
Ngithi mina 100 trillion.
Yeah.
Wena uthi kimi hayi 100 trillion. Nginayo mara ngikhona ukunika 100 trillion. So,
Yeah.
ngizogaya 50 trillion. Bese ngigaya 30 trillion. Bese ngigaya 20
Oh,
trillion.
true, yeah.
Yabo?
Ngizakani ngama-installment.
Bese wena ungigaya 50 trillion. Ungigaya 30.
Sele
20
20.
leli manje awusafuni ngathi.
Senyangeni.
Senyangeni akungicabanga ngijwayele.
Oh.
Ngigaya iskipa sami ukugaya into yakho.
So ucabanga into eyenzakele la.
Yeah, ngicabanga
Aye. Okay, maybe that's
ngathi manje uyabona ukuthi isolo zingathi baba wena manje awusalethi
Asiqalela.
ibalance.
nah.
Asiqale.
Qova into yakho.
Okay, maybe.
Ungigaya
Maybe.
I think maybe sebafuna ukubuyela igini.
And ukhumbule mfethu iswayelosi.
Asiqale la.
Ukhumbule swallows.
Asiqalela. Asiqalela.
Khumbula lelo gama lelo.
Ariqaleni.
Ukuthola ukuthi okay, qala
Soimani currently dlala va.
I don't know.
lena kids.
Sa se teng ko lower divisions.
No.
We don't know.
So ba batla status o gutla. Ba dlala va.
It means it's
Yeah,
a two that's not gonna happen. But yeah, it's one of the team I wanna carry. Yeah, okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Pirates Kaizer Chiefs. If
Yeah.
uthola ukuthi ntshwari Vikings ka swai. Never loka etsalang or lebitso le la Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs leshwe. They will try, you know, go ba ntse ba busy ba no mantse o peta. Ba tla phandela tse ba phandela mo tseleng. Tse ba qhubeka. I think it's what batlang go etsa go tlisa everything structure. Or maybe so na le motho lo reng o tlile ko swai se abakaya offer ke kopa buy in ke thole di shares. This is how we're going to restructure tlile ka plan grand. So swai se bona go itse keng. This is a good offer. Let's go back and, you know, request our status back. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah,
Hopefully re tla bona re fella kae right because
Mara now we didn't want Swallows to go down. Nigga. That's our Sowetan team giants.
abagesi yavala maqala.
Sing the league right now, my nigga. So busy there.
Magesi yahamba.
Ambalela ama team ayi5 ade aphansi.
All about-
Afacing relegation
We are all
zone.
about PSL teams and games.
Not only,
Not only
yeah, from the grassroots
Top
level.
down.
Like, thank you. Don't say that.
Uqala phezulu phansi.
Zoqala phansi.
Yeah.
Top 5.
Number 1,
Number 12.
number 12.
Stellenbosch,
Steelers.
15 points.
Okay.
Chippa United, 15 points.
Okay.
Marumo Gallants,
15. Kitty 15, eh?
Orbit,
Yeah.
14 points. Magesi, 11 points.
Magesi yavala.
Magesi ayehla. Obit chances are.
Yodlala malo nama playoffs. Stellenbosch sizo survive.
Stellenbosch,
Sizo survive.
And
Alright.
Magumo Gallants, apparently, but since they stuck kule 15 points, but they've been stuck in kule 15 points and they soccer basoko lokora ma goals.
Yeah, they don't stop. They don't
So yabona la kule from good 12 uya phansi. I-team ewinayo la. Okay, ithi ngithi kula y3. Iphume ehlathini. Okay, not 3. La y2 Marumo Gallants ne Orbit
The Steelers.
between the two. Stelis akhe sishebe kalo ngithe. Ngishebile the last 3 at last.
Why ke sibala Steelers?
Because
Because of
15
A1 balale 15 ba shaka points. A1 yabona la from Kamotlas. Maybe Obito whatever. Ewina yakhuphu.
Ke cheaper mfethu idlala games 17.
Yeah.
Stelis idlala games 15.
Yeah.
So cheaper ka matla sa Stelis. And wabona le marumo marumo e tladile 18 Obit e tladile 17 e tladile 16 that's why ke tjho a ke bale re keng Stellis
da akukho safe now le bona Stellis bacaba you are not in a safe position
yeah ma bona bana la advantage
ya ke mina
yeah
now that se ba tswile ko ba dlala ke rena
ba tlo dlala le rona
ba dlala ke rena
lo ba dlala no yeah
ba dlala CAF ba tswile ke
I believe I not ke practice game
ba ona ra fixture so like tamele ba khutle ka yi aba khutle ba tlo dlala le Chiefs another competitive game e ba sa batlong o ejiwe
Basazodlala ne-Pirates.
ba tlo dlala le
ma watswana ubona either way let's say for an example ba dlala le rona ra ba shaya ba staka ko 15 points ya bona because ba ba ka mo tlasa bona se ba dlala game tse baya ona le bona cheaper like a win it's like 17 it's like 17 games
Olibeke laphaya ilog wasikhuluma ngayo sithi ithi khwa babona ukuthi
because of it's a shubin there down there
mara no
Wachisa.
mina imagesi
ayahamba
angeke
imagesi ngeke ihambe mfana penalty ila game 16
ngadlala ama-playoff
wangithola yeah le playoffs phela chef ila game 16 ne Obit idlalile 17 then Marumo Gallants idlalile 18 Cheaper idlalile 17
sabona number 16 iPirates
isizini bayicala
you know how it feels to be there sazisa
besafuthi
yabo so imagesi nayo shout out to Ipulukwane City number 8
Maruka se tjho no number 16 ka jwaneng ke league ne se fela of course come on
People
bobo
they didn't want to talk to us because we had no points.
shout out to see machine bafite izolo
Yeah, they like to tell anything.
Stallione
yeah no it's a home
Zekish kish
Atisipelera emidlilini la.
in the for top 8
Lawa basabavele top 8 now.
for top 8
Yeah.
for top 8 you have
But important the top 8.
sisibonela ama points okay Ipolokwane Golden Arrows Richards Bay Siwele
Bashana how many points?
1-1-1-1-4
Ziyakhala.
2-1-1-4
Ziyakhala.
for iGolden Arrows kwamele insida ya win ama game wabo mare
top 8
yona na le game
Hayibo number
17
8 number 1
Oh, V.
number 1
Ngifuna.
all know
Amagona lentwana la.
ngiyabona kweshe
Sundowns bonile bathi table an offer
A massive one. A massive one.
Ndomo.
massive Undlovu
Night.
we-Golden Arrows
Night.
Oh.
Night fiki. Sometimes of table and no. Paris ne relationship
Pi-
arrows.
yeah bathi Pirates is keeping an eye
And then two ne. Ndlovulisise.
Goal strike
Lesemidlilini.
score
Lesemidlilini.
ubani le-top goal scorer e-Golden Arrows
Dion.
oh
Lesemidlilini alesha u6 le.
amarobansi nayo
ayiphansi phansi
Galant. Yeah, ikhahlile izolo be frustrated izolo.
xa besi-frustrate izolo phela ingakabig institution
So mina I'm voting for the Arrows qualify for top 8. Nalo mingabi number 8 but then at least ithuba la.
yeah
Ngiyayifuna la ku top 8 because
but
yazi why
hey
izoba mnandi MTN manje.
from ku-number 5 to ku-number 10 anyone angaphuma angaba ku-top 8
One
anyone nesikhukhune singaphuma
labo.
positive and City number 6 ina 28 points
There's drop points lapho.
hey
TS Galaxy ina 24 points so yeah in top 3 ngesikhulume ngayo because of now hey it's a bomb
Zekish kish
Mele bakhawane la, mele bashayane la.
yeah it's a
Number
bomb.
1 mele
I
adlala
think-
labo bayithi.
I think we will have the best PSL season
ever
ever
copy because nje yabona la top 3
Aye,
le top 3 le
besinawo
Okay.
i-Paris mawini league Ajax iziko idlala we had ama-last
Ajax
game
Town.
things
yeah but now yazi ngikhulumela phezu kwazi
Arrows.
yeah baba
Hey, chance.
and ngibuyela udima
Chance and Bailey.
mara no what
ngibuyela udima like big teams was like go
The top
bakodi
three.
1 2 3 yeah that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
it's gonna be the best.
This stage is long since now that the two face are really pressing.
exactly
in Scotland ne-Chiefs gate true
This is na.
yeah April sidlala vivi
Ewe na.
Sundowns
Uri.
idlala manje
April
Yeah,
who be
done.
Pirates.
so we're done with 57 FC fans
57 FC.
Even they 57.
Ah,
Sundowns. No, bashiftele FNB. Abafundisi e-arena. Bathi Sundowns
Okay,
they
bafethu.
deserve to play ku-arena.
in closing.
Basho kanjalo.
Siyayivala lento. So nithi top 8. Utheni wena utaking prediction ya top 8. Golden Arrows.
Take batla Arrows again.
Yeah, na actually na kibatla Polokwane. Batla Polokwane.
Kulukwaninge.
Yeah.
Ilo number 8.
Noma ingaba kuphi esto. Noma ingaba kuphi akunankinga.
As long as
As long
qualify.
ingeni.
So mina ne ngifuna top 8 ibe interesting. Maqala season August. So Durban City mile yehle number 9. Chiefs Galaxy obviously number 7. So for it Durban City mile ngene Golden Arrows plus abasekiz Durban bonke yabo KZN
For
Kuzothini kanje?
Uba interested.
yeah for uba interesting.
Oh manje ngiyayibona le relationship isuka la iyayehlisa la. Ama-cross amaningi.
Hayi Stelis nanoma singangena ngapha sidlale nabo abafana amaningi eyisakhini. Sizwile yiso man. Stelis
Okay, mfethu siphendule sibali show.
Top 8 mfethu Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs, AmaZulu, Isikhukhune number 5. Then ngene Arrows for Durban City.
Ngeni Polokwane
Then
for whatever.
for Mashini.
for machine yeah.
Mati. Yeah. Mati. One yenye sekasidlala la ku-PSL.
Mbese obviously
Awukhona
ule
usikhulu
phezulu.
Mnandi. Hayi.
Stelis mina man ngikrene ngapha. Sathi step sathi nama.
Hayi Stelis.
Stelis basingasithola mfana thole maybe sa qualify siba number 8. Siba number 1.
And baphumile ku-Nedbank aboma.
I mean Stelis ngihlala baba I think baba shayile.
Yeah,
Babashayile. Kuyawuphula
Maruzoyiwina nebhakani.
Hayi sukubhekile.
Uzoyiwina nebhakani.
We see you.
All right. Mase sivala le way. Sivale Shibobo Mac. Concluding. Masivala sithi hayi sesivalile ke siyangada imkhonto sibele emuva ama predictions athini.
Bani bathathile this season.
Okay, mina ngeke ngize ngikhulume leyo.
Yeah,
Cause ngishilo ngathi Pirates asakhulume ngayo
Pirates ayithathile.
due to
as predicting igame.
Pirates ayithathile.
Sundowns.
ngishilo mina ngikhulumile yami
Oh,
ngokuzana sethuni.
Prediction.
Yeah.
Pirates and Sundowns. Chief.
Pirates and Sundowns.
Yes.
Mfana 3-1.
Who's winning?
Obvious,
Sundowns is winning.
3 yakhe.
What?
3 yakhe.
The new sponsor the Adidas.
Oh, for 5 years.
Yeah. So like Adidas ishanga.
And we are on which you are one of the longest.
Manje wabapha one. Wabapha one. Abancane ne. Consolation. No amata promoting wathi uzothi.
Abashaya isikole bethi bathi something yani babe ne ho
Awuyibahlukana.
Karupurisa kana.
Hayi sibakhulumile labafethu bafethu. Asilakhenda.
Amangadliwa bafethu
Sikoza amabhoza one.
nizobona ukuthi niyenzani lapho comment section.
Ya nibe niyakhuluma ke ukuthi follow, like, share and subscribe and everything.
Who's gonna win on Wednesday?
When uthi
1-0 Pirates.
now wow2
Sikoza amabhoza.
Sobabhoza ngiyazile.
asifuneki igame sometimes
Hey.
you must hit them hard.
I don't want to hit them.
Must give them a pitch slap. Tua.
I don't want to hit them.
Well then since amatikiti aphelile wedabi ke nithini ngayo prediction la. Mina si predicting singayilena le.
Later.
Yeah.
Aphelile
amatikiti.
Uzoba honest, idabi mfana yini ukuthi ubani on form, ubani ushisayo,
Asikhulume for ngifuna prediction.
ubani wenza, yabo?
Ngifuna prediction.
So idabi ihlale trick, mara based on current form,
Ngani?
Pirates is winning
Ungayi
this
for
one
me.
by 4 goals
Just predict.
to 1.
Asithi ke ukubetwe.
Wow.
Asithi bekubetwe.
Okay.
Ama-odds bewafavor yiphi team?
Mina
Obvious.
ET.
Pirates is winning this by.
This one is a bit tricky. Okay, anyways.
It's tough.
Yazi le ngizokhuluma manje i-rocket science but yayenzakala anything is possible 2-0.
Chiefs is winning.
Yeah, Chiefs is winning.
Kwamele believe.
2-1 sibalinye.
Hey, Baba, you can't believe.
Aya maneba yasinqanya maneba. Amaneba yasinqanya maneba.
The ones that you have to beat them hard in our Marabastan. Remember, Salon group, Sisazodala. In fact, that was Sazodala.
And Estella Mama must value shows who may have personal and TV like a community.
Ah, Gabonava.
So we're going to find king of fact check and check.